The rear bumper on my BMW i3 is scratched up and a mess, and I think I'm gonna fix it with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I wish the i3 were a little more popular, a little better aftermarket, but this bumper here, you can get bumper protectors for almost every car. I put one on my Buick and it looks great. It's a stainless steel thing. It actually makes it look a little more premium. Found one in Europe, but it was like $200 to get. Give me a break. I ain't doing that. But I found this also from Europe, and it's basically a decal that's cut specifically for this. It kind of actually looks a little bit like shower tape strip you put in the shower, but it's not that grippy. It's a little smoother, but it has some of that texture. But it's supposed to be cut to fit exactly over the lip there, and then actually roll down, I think, maybe a little bit, and kind of cover that front edge just a little bit. So I'm actually going to trim the paper on this first so that I can kind of dry fit it really well. Let's try it. All right, so here's the back lip of my bumper. I've even cleaned it up to get all the grease and grime off there, and it's all chipped up, scratched up, and it ain't gonna get any better. You're gonna keep loading stuff in here. I'm surprised they didn't put some sort of protection on here, but I went ahead and I trimmed this decal, and I thought I would just lay it out. I've got some painter's tape. I might just kind of put it in place, mock it up, and see what it looks like, and then peel away the backing. All right, I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. You can definitely see it's gonna overlap here, and I might have to trim it around the camera just a little bit, but I should probably put a heat gun on it to unroll it a little flatter here, but I'm gonna take it off as it is and start putting this thing down. All right, so it's on there. Got a little air bubble, or maybe there's a crack or a scratch there, but so far it looks pretty good. Obviously, we've got this lip hanging off here, and so I do have my heat gun out here because I feel like you kind of get one shot. Don't miss your chance, you know? So I may just heat it up and kind of bend it down. I'll probably start bending it down, and then where it needs to get shrunk or something, I'll probably hit it with a little heat. I'm kind of thinking right around here where it kind of curves in is probably gonna be the hardest part. So let's try it and see. All right, I will tell you, as soon as you kind of get to that edge, it does want to crinkle a little bit, but man, that heat gun made short work of it. Maybe got a little air bubble right there, but for the most part, I don't have that waviness as the vinyl is bending. It just kind of makes it really pliable, almost soft and liquid-like, and then as you're rolling it down, those little folds just disappear. So it's matte black, so it's not shiny. It's gonna definitely contrast with your bumper a little bit, but man, that looks so much better. So I don't have to worry about continuing to abuse this bumper. If this takes any abuse, I can potentially replace that, but it's just gonna help prevent getting cuts and things like that. I wish it were more than a decal. I wish they had that stainless steel one. I think it would look better. Obviously provide a lot more protection, but you know, for the price point on this guy, this is the right thing. You know, you don't have to go to the universal stuff and just kind of make something fit there. And rolls over the edge, so it protects that too. And just misses that camera, so I don't have to adjust that either or cut it. So if you want to pick this up, this is a budget-friendly solution to keep your bumper on your i3 looking a little bit better. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.